Hi everybody, it's Tori from KirkToriStory. We just boarded Norwegian Luna and I want to give you a first peek at our brand new cabin. Hey everyone, we just boarded Norwegian Luna and we are in BB category, 10th floor, 266. Let's check it out. You do need one of these keys to get in. And then you put it right into the slot here to turn on your lights. Come on in. Uh-oh, something's happening back here. That's not good. What happened there, Kirk? Look at this. So we hung our coats and the hangers actually go beyond the door. Isn't that strange? Here, open it and show everybody. You can't actually open the door all the way with everything being crushed. Well, I guess we can start here at the storage. So you do have some storage, nice hangers. You have your safe down here, some pull-out trays for, well, it's a brand new ship, so everything's just a little bit stiff, which is great. At least you know nobody's been in here before. Oh, you can make a little shelf here. Can you pull that down? That's nice and convenient. I like this shelf. That's great. And more pull-outs here. Otherwise, it's a little bit narrow, but it's very similar to the Aqua. Then you have some hanging spots here for your coats. We have our little desk. This is nice, good space here. A drawer. And Kirk, I'm guessing there's the fridge in here.
Yep.
Perfect. You have your hair dryer. Let's do a quick scan. Nice bright room. Do you think this is a pull-out couch?
I don't think so.
Let's check.
I did.
You did?
I did.
Let's see.
No, it's not.
Okay. So no pull-out. And I guess in the lamps next to the bed we have a USB.
And USB-C.
And USB-C. And we have the night light. We have a plug here, American style. And we've already had our luggage delivered. It actually showed up pretty much immediately. You just shove it under the bed. Good sized TV. Let's check out the balcony. It's one thing I like about being in the balcony is the views, so let's see what it's like. Nice. It's a nice covered balcony. The chairs look comfy. Oh, but look at our view. I can watch people sitting on sun loungers. It's nice. People are already taking up all the lounges for sunbathing. Anyway, how comfy are you?
It's very comfortable. So the only question that we have right now is because we're so close to the promenade deck below us, it could get a little bit noisy. We'll see what it's like.
Yeah, it could, I guess. That is a question. I guess we'll have to find that one out soon. Let's go back in. So nice neutral colors. I love the brand newness of the cabin. It looks nice and plush. So we have some more plug system here. We have the telephone. We got some water. We have the copy of the Freestyle Daily, which is going to show us exactly what's included during each of the days.
There's a thingy under here.
What's that? What's under here? Oh, I pointed the hairdryer out already. Nice bathroom, super sized. And a big spot underneath, big garbage can. Nice deep sink. Lots of space here. It's actually nice and wide. I like that it is a glass shower. I'm just going to step in to show you how big it is. Oh, it's nice and wide. So it comes with shampoo, body wash, and I'm standing with my back against the door and stretching my arm all the way out in front of me, and the very tip of my finger is what reaches the wall. So it is quite large. Then you have a clothes hanging device here, which of course will go to the other side. It's great. Looks like a nice cabin, Kirk. Okay. So the only thing that I could complain about is just where you can see I'm pressing up the clothes right up against the door, and it's actually, it's about 1.5 inches inside of the door here. So we're located right here, 10266. And over here we have controls here, so you can say do not disturb, make up my room. You can control the temperature here. And that's it. Is there anything else you want to say about the cabin?
No, so far so clean, so far so bright. So yeah.
It's wonderful. Okay, so we have lots of cabin tours scheduled. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.